Muthio mao matukite ni KIEHA o mundu na mushumaa wake. Magana ma arutwo kuma thukuru wa University ya KENYATTA maratunganire kiharo-ini kia Bishop Square haria maratafaneirie igongona ria kiririkano kia arutwo 11 aria makuiriire mutino-ini wa barabara muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giki. Itu ria KIEHA rikioneka kuhumba o umwe wao urito wa ngoro ndunahithika amu kuringana na aingi giki no ta kiroto.
And though we go through suffering in this world, the end is sure. Our God will come and establish the everlasting kingdom.
Makeiturura kuhitukira nyimbo arutwo aya marari na ihinda ria kuririkana ARUNA ao na una gutwika kwa ihinda ria thiku 3 hituku mihango yothe thukuru-ini uyu irambite kurugama riu thafari ya kuhoni ironda ni yambiriirie.
It is not by God's grace that this happened during my regime, but I believe my support and the support of your leaders, we shall continue healing through this process.
Kuringana na Professor Michael Gishero, mutino uyu utigite aingi na kimako ona kuhanura uguo akiuga mibango no irathie na mbere gutigirira arutwo aya ni makahurukio na njira ya gitio.
Very difficult for us, but I thank God we were able to mobilize ourselves, organize ourselves, and come Tuesday we were together and planning and organizing with a team that went to Voi, and we are saying that we have seen the hand of God in all this because we have worked together as a team.
Arutwo arutiwira university-ini ino orundu umwe na arata na andu a nyumba cia arutwo aria marahurukire ni moritio guthii na mbere kunyitanira niguo kuhuthia murigo murito uria uri mbere riri mehariria makuhurukia arutwo aya marathie na mbere igongona ringi o ta riri ria kiririkano rigitanywo gugatafanio kiharo-ini kia university no muthenya wa rucio.
So we thank God because we have seen even the parents of the student who passed on, they have been strengthened. They have been here with us for the last 2-3 days, and we have seen a community of student, parents, relatives, and us who work here that is guided by the wisdom of God as we believe and mourn together.
It takes God's guidance. It takes a strong heart for you to get to heal from this process. As leaders, as students, as the management, we shall overcome this.
Arutwo 18 aria magurarire hindi ya mutino uyu ni marathi na mbere kurigitwo eri mari hatikaini ona kuhanura uguo thukuru uyu ukiranira gutigirira ati arutwo aya ni mararigitwo uria kwagiriire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.